So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing us how to create a shared mailbox from the Exchange admin portal and also turning a shared mailbox to a user mailbox or a user mailbox to a shared mailbox. We're going to be doing that from the Exchange admin portal. And we're going to also be giving delegation access or delegated access to users in the organization. But before that, in case you are here and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to be showing us how to do that. So in case you come across a video of mine or you click on a video of mine, all you have to do is just click on this. Once you click on this, I'm going to unsubscribe first. All you have to do is you're going to see subscribe here. You click on subscribe, you click on the same drop down and click on all so that anytime my video comes up you can see it. You click on the like button and you can also share this with your friend. Just copy or share to WhatsApp, X, anyone you want to share to. And that's all I need, guys. I'm currently on 14 subscribers and I would want people to learn from everything that I'm doing here. And also, if you want to come to a playlist, I have a Microsoft playlist here. I have a cybersecurity playlist which is pending for now, and this is also related to Microsoft. I'm going to redo this video because I noticed a lot of people complain they couldn't see it well and they wanted the back process. So I've deleted everything from my PC and I'm going to be reinstalling the virtual machine and the AD again and everything from the start. But the Microsoft is up to date. So this is it, from exploring to adding a custom domain and this. So please like, please share, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please don't just watch, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So today we're going to be creating a shared mailbox. So I'm going to explain something before we go ahead. A shared mailbox, from its name, it's a shared email. It's like a shared mailbox, so someone can send an email to a shared mailbox and then people that have access to the mailbox see the emails. So it's not only one person that have access. It's like we're going to be saying everything when I start demonstrating it, but I want us to understand the concept of a shared mailbox. Imagine a user leaves the organization, a person leaves the organization, but then there are some important emails inside that inbox and you don't want to lose that information. You can easily turn it to a shared mailbox. And luckily, Microsoft doesn't charge you for a shared mailbox. So a shared mailbox is free. It has the same 50 gig of storage and it doesn't have a license. So you just have delegated access and it doesn't use a password also. So it's just a mailbox by itself. So when the person leaves the organization, you can convert it to a shared mailbox, give yourself permission to view all the emails in the shared mailbox, and then that's it. Another thing with a shared mailbox is, well, I think I've said that before, you can add as many people as you like to a shared mailbox. So majorly some people use it as like a help desk, like someone in the organization, people in the organization just send tickets or what they need for the issue they are experiencing to the help desk, and all the help desk team sees it because they have access to the mailbox. So I'm going to be creating a shared mailbox from scratch, and I'm going to also be converting a user mailbox. So I'll come to admin center. Alright, so there are two ways in which I can actually add a shared mailbox. It's either I'm doing it from the Microsoft 365 admin center or I'm doing it from the Exchange admin center. So from the Microsoft 365 admin center, which we are presently in, you can just come to teams and groups. Here, come to shared mailbox, add a shared mailbox. I'm just going to give it IT service. Okay, I'm going to give it this. So that's all done well. So I'm going to add members to my shared mailbox. I'll add myself so I can read and edit and do anything I like with the shared mailbox. So let me just refresh. So can you see that? Can you see? So now I have the read and manage permission, but I don't have the send as permission. I send on behalf. So send on behalf means I can send emails with both my account name and the shared mailbox name. My emails will show that they were sent on behalf of IT service. You get my emails will show like they were sent on behalf, like I'm sending on behalf of someone. So allow the sender's permission. I can send emails as this account. So originating name will not appear. That means IT service will not appear. It will just be me, my name that will appear. So let's come to Exchange and add a shared mailbox from here. I'll first refresh this so I can see the previous shared mailbox. So it's here. I'm going to add a shared mailbox from here. Let me go customer service. Let me put CS at treasures. I'm going to create this. And I'm going to add users to the mailbox. I'm going to add myself again and confirm. Now the difference between creating on the admin center and creating on Exchange. When you create an admin center, the read and manage permission, you can, once it asks you to add a user to the mailbox, it only gives you the read and manage permission. But when you do this in Exchange, let me just close this and come back here, delegation. Can you see that it gave me the send as, and it also gave me the read and manage full access. And notice that the send on behalf is right here, unlike the way it was here, where the send on behalf and everything is currently here. So that is just the difference between this. So now I'm going to open my Outlook. I'm going to open my Outlook and I'm going to add that shared mailbox. So to add the shared mailbox, all I do is just right click on my own mailbox here. Right click, add shared folder. Let me see. I think CS. CS. I think so. That's treasures. That's all. That's NG. So can you see shared email account added? Can you see it here? Can you see it here? Okay. Now I'm going to add, what's the other name? IT service. I'm going to add that too. Right click, add an IT service. That's treasures. That's NG. So I've added that also. So you scroll down, you see that also. You see the inbox. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to send an email. Alright, so I'm going to send an email from this Timmy to this and this. So that's a new email. So let's see. Service changes. It's work. Confirm that is correct. Okay. And I'm going to copy. Okay, so we're going to send. Okay, so let's just check. So can you see the emails came in? If you ignore this test email, you go to IT service, it's also here. So now if you want to send on behalf of the CS and IT service, all you have to do is come here, open another mailbox. So IT service, that's treasures, plus one, just engine. Alright, so I've been able to open this. So let me try and send an email from IT service to tell me that this is it. Hello. Just ignore. Send. So I'm going to refresh here. and you see that the emails came in. So you can actually send and receive from a shared mailbox, just that it doesn't have a license, and it's you can check from here. You see that there's no license attached. Let me see. It's unlicensed, but you can still use it for a general emails. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be doing is converting a user mailbox to a shared mailbox. So I'm going to be using this individual here. So I'll be doing that from the Exchange Admin Center. Click on this. Alright, so I'll click on his name. Click on others. Then click on convert to shared mailbox. And once I've converted it, it still has a license. So I'm going to come here and remove the license. So click on the name. By your click on licenses and apps and check this save changes. So once I've done that, I'm going to give delegated. Let me refresh this. It's a shared mailbox. I'll refresh this. So I'm going to give. Okay, hold on. Okay, click on this. Click on delegation. I'm going to give myself full access. Notice that it's only a user mailbox that comes up here and not a shared mailbox. Confirm. I'll come to my Outlook here, right click, shared folder, then add. So can you see? Can you see? So let's say I want to open that mailbox and use it to send emails. Let's send an email to buyer first. Let's see if it goes through. Let's refresh. Okay, it came through. Buyer. So I'm going to open it again in another mailbox. Yes. So I'm still in buyer's mailbox. I'm going to send an email to this and just name it shared mailbox. Hello. So notice that it's not giving me. So notice that the email came through from buyer only to me. I know that buyer only doesn't have a license. It's just a shared mailbox. It doesn't even have a password. It's just the name buy only, and it can be used by so many other people. If I had other people in my organization, I could add them to these emails and they would see everything that is here. If I give them the send as permission, they'll be able to send as buy only to people, also the send on behalf of. So what I wanted to know is that this shared mailbox can be used for various purposes, and it also reduces cost. Someone leaving your organization, you don't want to retain the license, but you still want to retain everything in the inbox. This is a very, very good solution for you. So bye guys, I'll see you in my next video. I'd like you to like, share, turn on the post notification, and subscribe. Tell your friends about this channel, and I receive your reward in your Alright, bye guys, see you in my next video. I'm gonna try and send an email again to IT service, IT service, IT service at treasures. Okay, so let's just come here, come back to delegation, edit, go back, send on behalf, let's add this, come back here, refresh. Okay, so this is just synchronization process. This is just synchronization. Sometimes it takes a while to synchronize. So I'm just going to go ahead and pause this video and then we'll wait for a bit for it to synchronize. Alright guys, so I finished the synchronizing process.